I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play China Grove by the Doobie Brothers. This was a hugely popular song in the 1970s. It's got bar chords and some really good power chords. So let's get started, okay? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the distortion. Even though the song is played with that, I think it's easier for me to explain it without it. So let's get started. So the opening chord is going to be an E chord here. So to do that, you're going to bar the 7th fret here, and then you're going to lay your ring finger on the D, G, B right there. So you're going to go 7, 7, 5, 4, A chord. On the A chord, you're just going to lay your first finger across the D, G, B strings. And then from there, you're going to go back to that first chord. You do the little chugging rhythm part with the E string open, and you mute it with your right hand. And then it goes into the to the chorus, and then the verse, and then the chorus. Play that, you're going to bar on the 9th fret, covering up the E string. You're going to put your 3rd finger down here on the 11th fret of the A, your 4th finger on the 11th fret of the D string. You're going to lift these 2 fingers up. You're going to hit the A string on the 9th fret. Slide back down to the 7th, and then you're going to hit it once. Then you're going to do that E chord again. You're going to drop this finger down to cover these 3 strings up. And you're going to jump back up to that to the bar chord, to the B that's on the 7th and the 9th fret here. Here you go. Then you're going to slide up to the 5th fret, E, 7th fret on the A, 7th fret on the D, and 6th fret on the G string. You're going to go 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it goes back to the D chord. There's going to be 7, 7, 5, 5, 4, That's going to be an E chord up here. We're just going to lay your first finger up here and cover up the A and the D string and hit this open E too. Going to do that twice, and then it's going to move into this bridge part that goes. To do that, you're going to go down here on the seventh fret. You're going to bar it, and then your third and fourth fingers are going to be on the ninth fret of the A and the D. You're going to go 7, 8, 9, 9. You can do that again. That's going to be your fourth and your third finger on the 11th fret of the B and the G string. So you're going to go the first time you do that, you go back to this first chord here on the ninth fret. The second time you're going to put these two fingers on the D and the G string. Second time around, when you get to that point, you just hit this open A string up here with an A chord. You're gonna take your first finger and bar across the D and the G and hit the open A string. And then from the A, you're going to go. You can do that twice. That's going to be a bar chord, it's a C chord. So you're going to bar up here on the third fret from the A, fifth fret on the D, and fifth fret on the G string. Three, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And then a solo starts. And during the solo, he's doing something a little different with the chords. He's going. So during the solo, instead of just doing, he's going to hit that E chord. So it's going to be 7, 10, 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 4, A. Then the song ends on that E. So that's about all there is to it. It's one of my favorite old power chordy bar chord songs. If you have any other songs like this you'd like to learn, leave it in the comments, and I'll work up a lesson for them. And subscribe to my channel, all right? Thank you, and have a great day.